Njogu wa Njoroge nĩonetie wendo wa mwanya kũrĩ mwendwa wake niwe Mary Lincoln. He made sure to make the day special for her. It was her birthday yesterday. Na Njogu wa Njoroge saw to it that his wife gets to enjoy her day in a special way. Mary Lincoln's day was filled with so much love and surprises. She actually had 2 birthday surprise parties. Ya mbere ĩrarĩ kuma her Facebook friends and also her workmates. Na ya kerĩ nĩyo ĩrarĩ kuma kũrĩ mwendwa wake na arata ake na aini, ĩrĩa ĩrarĩ mwena wa Safari Park. Mary Lincoln shared these lovely photos here. This was how her day started. Ĩno ĩrarĩ her first birthday surprise party. Akiuga, may God bless you my Facebook friends for birthday wishes and gifts. I also want to say thank you to you my workmates, Beba girls, Totos for the surprise. Mũndũ akua aihũragio FB no niĩ mũtineterera ngue mwanengera ihũa ndĩ muoyo. May God bless you all. And these are some of the lovely photos from the birthday party. Haya, then later on in the evening, Mary Lincoln ara surprise with another mega birthday party, an all white birthday party at Safari Park kuma kũrĩ mwendwa wake, arata ake na fellow musicians matongoretio nĩ a Joyce Rongo, Akarango Muraya, and of course Njogu wa Njoroge. Njogu came through for his lady. He made sure that Mary Lincoln gets to enjoy this day in a special way. Neo aya haha makĩrũmania keki. You can see the big smile on Mary Lincoln's face. She was happy, she was content, and she even accompanied these photos with some love emojis kuonania nĩma she was happy. Nĩarĩhũrĩtwo nĩ gĩkeno kĩnene mũno, na she even couldn't hide her joy as she took to her Facebook page kumacokeria ngatho. Aihũrĩtwo nĩ gĩkeno kĩnene mũno akiuga, hi people, was so happy yesterday. May God bless you all and happy Sato. And then she shared these lovely photos of the birthday party, the surprise birthday party, and this is how it went. Na ndũkariganĩrwo gũsubscribe, never miss an update on the latest Kikuyu celebrity news. Subscribe now for the latest and trending gossip.